Hello guys, this is Mark Lim and I will teach you how to create WebView. WebView used to view the internet in your Android. And first, we must create our new Android application project. And we will name our application as My WebView. And in this chapter, I will only use Android Jelly Bean. Then next, Jelly Bean. Next, next, the next. And this will be the name of our Java and this is the name of our XML. Then finish. First, we will change our XML into WebView. Then delete this relative layout and change it into WebView. This will type WebView. Then delete this all. And type first we declare its ID, which is Android ID equals to at ID at ID slash WebView. Then its layout Android layout underscore width equals to fill parent, and then its height Android layout underscore height, and same with which is fill parent. Fill parent use on layout so it will occupy all the space in your it will occupy all available space in your Android. The next is Android orientation equals to vertical, and then let's erase this text view and relative layout, and then let's add its closing tag, which is slash WebView, and let's save it. And this is the only thing you can see in your XML layout. Then we will edit our main activity.java. First, we must set our JavaScript to enable so you can view the internet sites. So lint press lint, then set JavaScript enable. Then after that, we must declare our WebView by naming it private WebView m WebView. Then after that, then we must import our WebView in our Android WebKit. Then After that, we will code now the function of the web view. First, the name of our web view, which is mwebview here. Then we will call our web view in our XML by typing this code. Web view, then find view by ID. Then r dot id dot, and this next code will be the name of our web view in our activity.xml, which is web view. Let's copy this. Then paste it here. Then after that, we will get the setting of the web view, which is web view dot get settings and set JavaScript enabled. Sorry, I forgot the dot. Set JavaScript enabled equals to true. Then after that, we will now tawag doon. We will now proceed. And after that, we will now declare the website that we want to view using our web view by typing this code mwebview dot load URL, which is, let's try Google, www.google.com, and then now we will proceed onto our Android manifest.xml, and then we will add here a permission so that we can use internet in our Android by typing this uses permission to Android name equals to let's find internet, Android permission internet, then it's closing tag, and let's save it. And then now we will run it. Just right click run as, and then Android application. It is loading now. Now we will click OK, and let's find our web view, which is this, my web view. And as you can see, we already go to the google.com, which we used to type here, which is the URL of the Google
which is https://www.google.com.ph. You can change it anytime you want. And that's all. Thank you.